Want to simplify your banking with Landbank iAccess? Let's dive in. First things first, head over to the official iAccess website at lbpiaccess.com. If you're already enrolled, just log in with your user ID and password. Easy peasy. New here or forgot your login details? No worries. You can either enroll online or visit a Landbank branch. For online enrollment, visit the iAccess website and click on Sign Up Now or Enroll. Prefer the face-to-face approach? Visit any Landbank branch with your valid ID and necessary documents. Once enrolled, accessing your account is a breeze. Go to lbpaccess.com, enter your user ID and password. Forgot your password? Just click Unlock your iAccess ID and follow the steps to reset it. Remember to keep your email and mobile number up to date. Bonus tip: access Landbank iAccess on the go with the Landbank mobile banking app. Got questions? Contact their customer care center at 8400-57,000 or email customercare@mail.landbank.com.